Welcome back, it's Chris from the Hagon factory. So today we're looking at 650 Thunderbird, just absolutely worn out old thing that we're going to build into a dirt track bike or maybe even a motocross. So you guys need to let me know what you think we should do. Righto, so I've gone through all our stock and I've come home with a mid-50s Triumph Thunderbird, 650 swing arm frame. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to turn this into a dirt track bike. We won't modify the frame in any way. Apparently the steering angle is perfect, so I've been told. So this is the frame we'll use. I was actually thinking about a Tribza, because I do have an A10 Bezier frame, a very nice frame, but we're not going to use that at this stage. So we're going to get on with this Triumph. We've got the Weslake up on the stand and that, so that'll come first, but this is going to happen. It should be a really good thing. So we've got a genuine Triumph Thunderbird rear wheel, Mulholland shockers on it at the moment. It's all pretty standard. Got the gearbox, we've got all the gears. We need a couple more gears actually, some are a little bit rotten. We've got a complete engine except for rock boxes, so we need those. It's got all the timing gears and that, we'll have a look in there. The frame is very straight and original, very weathered, but it will come up fantastic. We've got the headlights around, that'll be at Linelli. We've got the rest of this. We've got nearly a full headlight with the gauges in it, so if you're looking for one of those, and possibly these, I'll get those off as well. And the front mudguard stay. I'm actually looking for the inner primary cover. I've got the outer, but we need an inner for this one. Someone's already started on the race side of it. They've already been drilling the hell out of the engine plates, but this will end up being a fantastic bike. But we've got a couple more bikes in front of this, but I will do a bit as we go along. So this is the primary cover I have. I'm missing the inner cover. If you have one of those, let me know. We'll be at Linelli for the swap meet in December. We'll be bringing along a couple other sets of primaries of rigid Triumphs, 500 Triumphs. So we'll have those there. We'll have a little bit of tin wear off this bike here, off the Thunderbird as well. We'll move that on because it's going to be a dirt track bike. We won't need any of that. So the old engine, she turns over. Got a cylinder head off Stewie Pike. It's got a few cracks down to the valve seats and up to the stud holes. As you know, that's a pretty common thing. We'll get those bored, we'll sleeve those, and we'll get our mate Will to weld that up as well. And we'll get all the fins tidied up. Okay, so over the years, the whole family's ridden Triumphs. I had a brand new Triumph, my uncles have had Triumphs, Dad's had a few Triumphs, but I know absolutely nothing about Triumphs. So what we've got with this head, it's cracked from the seat all the way up to the stud hole. And apparently this is very common. So we're going to sleeve those, and then we'll get Will, our mate, to weld this up. We'll machine it. It'll come up absolutely perfect, it will. We'll cut the seats, we'll run the valves through the valve face we got and see how they look. But apparently this is really common. up through here. And you can just see that, my fingernail there, on both sides. Poor design, I'd say, but see how we go. So this poor old 650 engine does turn over. It actually looks quite clean in the timing side, so let's pull that off and have a look. So it's got a full set of timing gears. This is a T6, this engine. We've got a T110 set of cases. Actually, I think we've got a few of those. We've got a few cranks. We've got a fair bit of gear for these now, so hopefully we can build something that goes right. Okay, so before the Triumph, we have to get the Weslake finished. So it's up on the stand. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to pop the gearbox out of it today. We're going to go through that. I'm waiting on an engine pipe for it, and I'm just starting to give it a really good clean. It's coming up really well. We just need to go over it and just make sure everything looks really good. And the other thing is, we've got the Kerr that's got the IT 400 motor in it, so that has to be done as well. So hopefully we can get the Weslake done, and then I'll work on the Kerr and the Triumph at the same time. So that's the plan. So we'll see how we go. Righto, so I've got a question for everyone watching. What do you think? Should we make a vintage motocrosser out of it, or should we make a flat tracker out of it? So let us know in the comments what you think. I'm a bit confused. I'm not 100% sure, but I really want to build a 650 Triumph driving build. So appreciate your input, so let us know. Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagons back.